Welcome to an Introduction to Teams, Creating a Digital Classroom. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is log into your district dashboard and then find the Teams logo here. After that, you're going to see all of your teams are already preloaded because they're linked into PowerSchools. That makes it very convenient. So once you're logged into your teams, you can see all of your conversations and activity shows up right at the top as a notification. This is where all of your collaboration is going to happen. You can leave messages for your students. They can leave messages for you. You can post links to things in the scrolling features right here. You can also use the plus sign up in the corner to add another tab to your classroom. For example, this tab that I've added is our stream channel for Microsoft. And then we go to the assignments tab on the left here, and you can see all of the things that you have assigned for your students all in one place. So this is the one place that you can go that will have all of the assignments for all of your classes. So you can see every assignment laid out there, how many students have turned it in, and how many students still need to turn it in. To create a new assignment, just go down to the bottom corner and click the Create tab. You can see once I click the Create button, I'm given three options. I can make an assignment, I can make a quiz, or I can even pull from something existing that I've already done. I'm going to make an assignment. This pulls up all of my classes in a pop-up window, and I select the class that I want. From here, I have all of my information available to me. Now I'm going to input all of the information that I need for my assignment, such as the title, the instructions for my students. I can have an end date. I can even link in resources right here under this tab, such as uploading files from my computer. I could link websites, anything that I would want. Finally, I assign a score, or I could even tag a rubric in here. If I want to add more than one class, I select this button here, and I enter the information that I need. Now that I have my classes assigned, I select any that I want, and I create a due date. So this will be a time when my students will have to have all of their assignments turned into me, or it'll be marked late. I can even select the time that I'm willing to accept it until, and give them the option then to turn it in when they have the time. Once I've selected my due date and the time that I'm willing to accept it until, all I need to do now is I could differentiate for different student groups if I wanted, but I'm going to assign this to all students. I come up to Assign. Once I've selected that, it takes about 30 seconds or so to work through the program, and then it'll assign it as a pop-up into every student's individual classroom. From here, they can see it in their feed. You see, once I return to the feed, I can see the assignment has been posted, and when I select on it as the teacher, I can see which students I need to grade and which students have already been graded in return. The next section that you can look at on Teams is your schedule, and it's a great place to keep all of your meetings and things in one place. Up in the top corner, you can just click to schedule a new meeting and enter the information you would need. Once I click Create and I've entered all of the important information such as the title, I can assign a location. I can assign the date of the meeting, the start time, maybe something around 7 a.m., and I can even finish up my meeting at 8:30 here. Finally, I will enter any information that I want everybody who gets the invitation to have. I come up to the top, I could select specific channels within Teams to have my meeting, or I can invite people directly to the meeting. Once my meeting is ready, I can start inviting people. As I type their name, you can see everything auto-populates. I select the person I wish to invite. I'm going to invite my principal, and you can see his time that he is available also shows up. All I would need to do then is click Schedule, and we would be done, but I'm going to discard this. Teams is a really great way to organize your classroom in a digital environment, to schedule all of your meetings and have all of your assignments and materials accessible for your students in one place. So please take the time to go through all of the things that Teams has to offer, and thank you for joining us today.